Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to remove text from video on mobile. So you can do this on iOS devices or Android devices, it doesn't matter. You can even do this on your computer. So what you have to do is simply open any browser on your device and then simply search for remove text from video. Then what you have to do next is simply tap on the first link, so this one here from anyrazor.media.io. Then simply tap on it, and as you can see here an example. So you can see this video here has this text in the top right corner, and as you can see, using this tool they're gonna remove this for you basically for free. So simply tap on remove text now, and then here you're gonna have to upload your video, or I'm gonna go with this one here, and let's simply choose what do you want to remove. So as you can see, with this brush we can choose what to remove from the video. So let's try to remove this girl from the video, and as you can see, you can increase the brush size if you want, and then basically after you're done you have to simply tap on the remove objects now button, and basically this tool will do all the work for you basically. So let's simply tap on the remove objects now, and as you can see, processing, please wait. So it's gonna load pretty fast depending on the size of your video. So if it's a longer video, it's gonna take more. And as you can see, this AI tool will basically remove anything from the video. Now of course it's not perfect, but for text it's very good. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.